Easily convert your existing desk into a sit-stand ergonomic workstation with StarTech.com's full-motion workstation and monitor arm. This full-motion adjustable desk-mountable workstation is ideal for offices, labs, clinics, or warehouses. Our full-motion monitor arms support VESA displays up to 27 inches or 34-inch ultrawides and weights up to 8 kilograms. The dual-clamp desk assembly ensures a stable base to your desk. Our monitor workstations offer spring-assisted movement for smooth, one-touch motion to change heights between sitting and standing to suit your ergonomic requirements without interrupting your workflow. With a wide range of motion, our articulating workstations allow for swivel movements, arms to bend, tension adjustments, and monitor mounts to rotate and tilt from landscape to portrait modes for optimal adjustability. A 90-degree foldable keyboard and integrated left or right slide-out mouse pad retract to stow away the computer workstation when it's not in use. The mouse tray and plastic ergonomic wrist rest are removable and easy to clean, ideal for a sanitary shared office workstation. The ARM features built-in cable management and has a mouse and handheld scanner holder for added convenience. With over 35 years as the IT professional's choice, our desk-mounted monitor workstations are backed by a StarTech.com 2-year warranty and have free lifetime technical support.